Hey everybody, it's Dennis from TheTravelClarks. I am on an adventure for 7 days and you're coming along with me. I've already checked into the Marriott Gateway Atlanta Airport, which is very convenient, right by the train that's going to take me over to the terminal tomorrow morning when I check into my Delta flight. And after I get on my Delta flight, I'm checking in to Even Hotel in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Going to be trying out the sights, the sounds, the historical trolley that goes up the mountain, Pittsburgh's pierogies that I heard are fantastic, and checking out Market Square that's right there by the hotel. Then after that, I go visit my friends in Youngstown, Ohio, my best friends in Youngstown, Ohio, the girls that I went to high school with that I go up there every so often, probably once a year, just to go visit them, and they live right outside of Youngstown. We'll be going to the different counties and townships and cities that are around there, maybe hitting up Cleveland, but definitely doing Youngstown. And you're going to be coming along with me for 7 days. It's the holiday weekend, 4th of July. I got my outfits, you get your outfits, and you are going to be vacationing with me this time. So come along. It's going to be a great trip. 7 days. I'm Dennis with TheTravelClarks.